to Bermuda. Local time is 12:03. For your comfort and safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your baggage out until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. We'll remind you that smoking is not permitted and mobile phones may be used at this time. If you need assistance to the plane, please remain in your seat and we'll come and help you as soon as the aisle is free. Please be careful when opening the overhead bins as some articles may have shifted during the flight. If you have a connecting flight, please refer to the screens inside the terminal building or consult with one of our colleagues on the ground. Thank you for flying with Air Canada, member of Star Alliance. We hope you've had a pleasant flight and we look forward to seeing you again. Thank you and have a good day. Mesdames et messieurs, nous vous souhaitons la bienvenue.